Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Radeon RX 7900 GRE Dual OC and TUF Gaming graphics cards. So friends, this includes the RX 7900 GRE Dual OC and the TUF Gaming RX 7900 GRE OC. Given nearly identical 260 watt total watt power and ASIC pin map of the RX 7900 GRE to the RX 7800 XT, and it appears to be reusing the RX 7800 XT custom design was designed for this card. And friend, the dual OC model features a 27.9 cm length, triple slot thickness, and 13.39 cm height, and uses an aluminium feel stack heatsink with 200 mm Axial Tech fans. And friend, there is no RGB lighting or other such frills to speak of, but you get dual BIOS, and the default P BIOS runs the at factory-overclocked 4927 MHz game clock. And friend, the TUF Gaming RX 7900 GRE features the same version of the company's DirectCU III TUF Gaming cooling solution that company uses with its RX 7800 XT TUF Gaming product. It's 31.9 cm in length and 3 slot thick, 15 cm tall. And friend, the cooler features trio of 100 mm Axial Tech fans, and characteristic of TUF Gaming cooler design is ventilated, exposing more of the heatsink underneath than competing cooling solution. You get a minimal amount of RGB lighting and in form of diffuser near the tail end. You get dual BIOS and a more pronounced factory OC than the dual OC card, with the P BIOS enabling 1972 MHz game clock. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.